Oase Waterfall Pumps are synchronous magnetic drive pumps that are specifically designed to create falls in water garden and pond-free applications. All Oase Waterfall Pumps are durable, reliable, energy-efficient pumps that excel in demanding applications. The four smaller waterfall pumps, the 1650, 2300, 3700, and the 5150 we'll be looking at today, are particularly dependable in hard water, while the two larger pumps, the 6600 and the 8000, offer some different advantages, so we'll talk about them in a separate video. Oase pumps are noteworthy for their power and efficiency, and the Waterfall line is no exception. This pump will push 5,150 gallons an hour for only 230 watts and lift to a maximum head height of 23 feet. Even the smallest of the line, the 1650, draws only 70 watts and shuts off at over 16 feet. To accommodate larger features where the electrical supply is not immediately adjacent, all the waterfall pumps come with very generous 20-foot long cords. Important specifications are printed right on the box: maximum flow and head height, flow charts, cord length, electrical specifications, and the 2+1 warranty, 3 full years upon registering the pump with Oase. Inside the box you'll find the manual, safety, and warranty information, along with the pump and an adapter for 1.5" through 2" kink-free or vinyl tubing. The male threaded outlet of the pump will also accept 1¼ through 2" female fittings for use with Schedule 40 PVC flex pipe, but use Teflon tape to allow for later removal if necessary. The ribbed and slotted pre-filter passes up to 1/4" solids and pulls straight off to reveal the volute below. Volute removal is also toolless, making maintenance fast and easy. A 1/4 turn of the volute reveals the impeller assembly, which is removable for easy periodic cleaning. The whole assembly, including ceramic shaft and coated magnet, pulls straight out with some effort. While the rotor is out, take note of the hole at the far end of the rotor cavity. This allows the water and any debris drawn in around the rotor to flow out the back of the pump, cooling the motor very efficiently. The self-cooling, debris-flushing rotor chamber keeps pumps from overheating in the most demanding applications. Cooler water around the rotor plus the plastic coating over the magnet help these pumps resist the buildup of limescale in even the hardest water, when a stainless steel rotor might get cemented in place in a matter of weeks. One last point that sets these apart: Oase pumps are equipped with a proprietary grounding plate that eliminates any chance of stray current from any source entering the water and causing a shock, for unparalleled safety. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Oase Waterfall 5150 pump, but were afraid to ask. Check out our product page on the Atlantic-Oase website for more information on these and all our products. You'll find videos there too, and on our YouTube channel as well as on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.